Hello students, today we are going to talk about a very important topic. What is that? Do you have any idea? Mm, Mobile phones. No, not a mobile phone. Then television? No, not television even. It can be online games? No. Online study? No. So it will be about technology and science? Not at all. Today we are going to talk about the topic which is popularizing these things. What is that topic? That is, yes, advertisement writing. So today we will talk about advertisement writing. So an advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazine, television, radio and the cinema. And we can see the various types of advertisements. Specifically, it is having two types. One is called classified and the second one is called commercial or display advertisement. Now, what is the purpose of writing an advertisement? We all know that an advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public, and it is very potential tool for promoting sales or services. It is used to influence the minds of the masses. Basically, it is of two types. What were those two types? Yes, I told you that. The first one is, yes, think about it, classified. And the second one, commercial or display advertisement. Now, in classified advertisement, we have some more types. What were those types? For example, bride, bridegroom. So basically, these sort of advertisements you may have seen in the classified column of the newspaper. Second one, situation, vacant, wanted. Third one, lost, found. Now, what is the difference between situation, vacant and wanted? So, situation vacant for those advertisements in which the particular organization is seeking some employee, whereas for wanted the employee himself need a job, so he is applying for a job with the help of an advertisement. Then we have sales and purchases, sales and purchases of flat. Then we have accommodation wanted. Then educational, based on education, you may have seen that. Then placement services, to let, tuitions, travel and tours, etc. In the classified advertisements, we have seen some specific things which has to be taken under consideration. What are those specific things? These are written in a particular style. First one, very brief. Second one, simple, factual and having a specific format. Third point, short, concise and to the point. Fourth point, always written in box. Fifth one, contact and address in the end. Sixth point, so we must have to take consideration of all these points if we want to write a good classified advertisement. Now, let's discuss about its format as per the CBSE curriculum. The first one is heading, that should be in capital only. Second, word limit 50 only. Third, content should be grammatically correct. Fourth, clear and precise. So student, this is the advertisement writing. I hope you understood it. Kindly listen to this audio again and again and try to attempt the advertisement writing. with the help of the
Hello students,
video which I have
today we are
sent
going
you
to
earlier.
talk about
Thank
a
you very
very
much.
important topic.